Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable auto pickup in Knives Out game. To enable auto pickup in Knives Out, first of all, launch the Knives Out on your device and then from the main lobby, tap on the gear button at the top of the screen. Once you see the settings menu, go ahead and click on Pickup option from the left-hand menu. Under Pickup, scroll down to Auto Pickups and tap on the Enable button. Once you do that, you will be able to see other auto pickups menu. There you can go ahead and adjust other auto pickups options such as auto pickup available attachments, better gear, pick up weapons while unarmed, etc. Go ahead and turn on and off options under the criterias. And then once you are done, click on Save at the bottom right. After you do that, you have successfully enabled auto pickup in Knives Out. Now after you join a match and observe how your character automatically picks up items when you approach them, you will be able to control your game with better efficiency. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.